Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to sign up and create a new account on the Mobile Legends game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Mobile Legends game on your device, and once it is opened up, you will be taken into the home page. Now, in order to sign up and create a new account, you will need to tap on your profile icon at the top left corner and then tap on account. Now, from the account section, you have various different options in order to sign up and create a new account. The best option would be either to use your email address or your Moontune account. Just tap on whichever option is suitable for you. And once you tap on the appropriate option, you will be allowed to register for your account. Just type in your preferred email address followed by your desired password for your game. After entering your desired password, type it in once again for confirmation and then tap on the submit button. You will now be asked to check your inbox in order to verify your creation of new account. Tap on the check email button or check your inbox and you will find the activate now button. Tap on this button and this will now confirm your new account creation. You will then be told that your account has successfully been created and now you have successfully been signed up to your new account on the Mobile Legends game. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to sign up and create a new account on the Mobile Legends game. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.